big unboxing. I should probably sit down in my kitchen and go through it with you. Guys, this is a really big unboxing. I should probably sit down in my kitchen and go through it with you. I'm just too excited. I got to do it now. This is more than a mailbox minute because we're going to talk about all the different things in here. This is a TKB trading play box. It's got all sorts of fun things in here that I can create. And this year, we're going to do more with makeup, which is going to be super fun. I don't know why they sent me a priority mailbox. Let's see. But I got a lot of samples in here. Okay, that's just my... Why did I get 2 pounds of shea butter? I have like a ton of shea butter. Huh. Okay. Anyway, evidently I needed more shea butter. So I've got a whole bunch of different micas here from TKB Trading. So let's open up this first, because I needed more of these apparently. But no, these are all like lip and eye safe, so that's why I got them. So Hot Step Mama, Coral Reef Blue, Deep Green. Oh, Forged Gold, I like that. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oof, oof, oof. I've actually got some gold leaf coming too. Cool Water Blue Fine, Solvent Resistant Glitter. Ooh. A Honey Yellow Iron Oxide. Some Emerald Mica. Oh, this is TKB. And we'll put all these in here because these all were kind of for the same project, so I can find them later. Alrighty. Okay, we'll just set these over here for now. What else have we got? What other mysteries are we going to unfold? Okay, is this a lipstick mold? We're going to be doing lipsticks. This is a press your own makeup kit. I needed just some of the basic ingredients and then I got all of them in here. I'm going to actually use some different pans, but this is going to be super fun. I love makeup. I love making it myself, so I wanted to do it, show you how it's done right. So we're going to get a lipstick base and a lip balm base. And I can make those from scratch, but I just wanted to try out theirs to see what it was like. And then I got a ton of iridescent glitters and micas because I'm going to be making unicorn drops and highlighters. So this texture matte texture base is for the eyeshadows, I believe. And we've got, ooh, icicle. That's really pretty. Check that out. See the colors? And, oh, we got 2 icicles. So I've got some more things coming from TKB. So this was just the lip stuff. This is the stuff that I used for my Killer Frost, which I will be making even stronger. This is so pretty. I like making white lip gloss. If you enjoyed this mailbox minute, please click the like and subscribe and come on back to my soapy kitchen anytime. Bye for now.